Hello and welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we will discuss how we can export data from Excel to a text file. In the previous course, Microsoft Excel course for advanced, we have already discussed how to import data from external source to our Excel workbook. Today we will see the opposite. Now the question arises, why do we need to export the data? Now consider a scenario where we want to use the Excel data in an application which directly does not support the Excel data, where we cannot have the Excel data in the format which we have saved it. So there exporting comes in handy. We can change the Excel data, we can save it in a text file or in a CSV file, and then we can copy it, or using some other way we can use it in the other application. Plus, exporting an Excel file to a text file increases the compatibility of the file, and we can share it with more people. So let's see how we can do that. We have an example over here. Let me open sheet 1 over here. I have an example already in place. It's a product list having n number of columns, and we'll see how we can export this data to a text file using two methods. So the method is very simple. Your data should be in place. It should be on a worksheet. Go to File tab. Click on the File tab. Here you are taken to the Backstage view. Click on Export option over here. Now here you have two options available. Either you can create a PDF or you can change the file type. Let's click on File type. These are the various options available for you for changing your Excel data, for exporting your data to a different file type. Either you can have the text, save the data as a text file, you can have it as a CSV file, plus we will see how we can save it in other forms as well. Select any of these, whichever way you want your file data to be saved. Say we want it to be a text file, so I have selected text over here and click on Save As. It will take a moment. You will be asked to give a name for your file. So give a name to your file. Say same name I'm giving over here, export data, and that too in text. You can see the save as type over here. Now you can since we have specified there that it will be a text type, so by default text is being selected in the Save As dialog box. You just have to click on Save. The second method of saving your data in a different format is, if you click on File and Save As, the same dialog box will open. If you do not click on Export, then if you were clicking on Save As, the same dialog box will open, and there you have the option. If I click on this drop down over here, Save As type, you have all these various options available for you, where you can specify a different type for your file. So that can also be done. So give a file name, give the type in which you want your data to be saved, and click on Save. Now your Excel data has been exported. It has been saved as a text file. Let's open and see that text file. Alright, so this is my Excel data, and this is the file where we have saved the same data as a text files. You can see the product list, you can see the product ID column, name column is there, price, discount, price, and quantity. All these columns have been picked up from here, and they are saved as a text file. Now you can specify the same data to be saved as a comma separated file. That can always be done. So in this video, we have seen how we can export data from Excel and save it either as a text file or as a CSV file. Hope you found the information useful. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.